What's up guys, this is Nick at ManriqueBilt Customs. My videos are going to be a DIY and a whole custom twist on the do-it-yourself, a make-it-yourself and install-it-yourself all at the same time. I'll get custom scrap material and junkyard parts and make one-off pieces for my vehicle or whatever it is that I'm doing.
So today, we're going to finish the interior by adding the pieces I got from the junkyard and get them to fit so I have access to them from the driver's seat.
I've already done tons of stuff to my truck already, and as you can see, it's not your average 99 Dodge Ram 2500. And that's pretty much it.
Okay, so so let's check out what I did.
Well, okay. Alright, so the next piece that I want to put in here is the other little piece that I got from the junkyard. It's look like the bottom paneling from, I think it was from a Chevy something, I don't know. But as I've been putting it in here and trying to figure out exactly where this is gonna go, because I like the holes, and these holes are for the 12-volt little cigarette lighter thing and little mini compartment it's got. What I want to do is I'm gonna go ahead and just cut this bottom section out, you know, so that it could flow down in here better. You know, I've got another compartment that maybe I might just mold into it also out here on the side. So let me get to cutting a little bit, and hopefully I don't cut too much, and see where this leads. But for now, and as far as this video, I just want to get this bottom section done, you know. Well, all right, we've got a little interior paneling, dash panel, whatever you want to call it. Got that installed. Got my two 12-volt cigarette lighter. Got location to put some stuff in. It's a little dirty, but I'll clean that out. Now we're gonna get to the cup holder thing. What I wanted to do with that right here by the center console, if I can bring you back a little bit, by the center console, I kind of wanted to, I don't know if I want to attach it out here or actually cut into the top of the center console and just cut it in a way where this will sit inside and actually kind of be like, you know, like if it was implanted in there. So I think that's going to be another deal, another little customization to this truck that I want to put in here as well. So let's get to a whole lot of cutting. Okay, so the idea is to get this, let's see what's here underneath. So we're going to have to come back just a little bit so we can clear this front part. And if I get a tape measure, then I can kind of give me a ballpark. So we're gonna say that's 3, we'll go another 1.5 inches. How about that? So we're at 4.5. So if I bring this down 4.5, we're gonna be about right here. So we're gonna say right at the edge of this random, looks like a burn hole, I don't know, it was there before. So about as far as I want to go, not the top part but the bottom, so I can kind of just eyeball that there, about where that's gonna be. And I'm gonna end up having to center it this way, and I'll, you know, got the tape measure for that. We'll see what we got. Ballpark 14.5, which is about 7.25, and that'd have to go a hair this way, so we weren't too far off. So about right there. So what, I'll come back around here and kind of draw me some lines, you know, I guess kind of like some cut lines, kind of just cut from. So we're gonna go ahead and with that there. Let's go ahead and make a good, we're gonna make it just a, I don't know, I'd say about another 1/4 inch round, you know, and you know, make sure we give it enough room to sit inside this bottom piece. Now I might actually have to cut out these little tab parts that seem to kind of come down lower than the edge of it. But let me go ahead and get this cut out and see, you know, exactly how much farther we're gonna have to cut into it. So let's go ahead and get this cut out. Got a nice blade here. Okay, so we got this cut out. So let's see how we're looking here. That actually looks pretty good. That actually worked pretty good. I got that just cut out perfect. Well, that's good. Well, like I said, it's got some kind of a foam, something, I don't know. We'll cut into that too. And let's see what's gonna pop out of here. Well, look at this. Ooh. Okay. All right. So, yeah, we're gonna have to cut into the plastic bit a little bit. All right, so I'm giving you a little different angle here. I got hole saws, but it's either too big or too small. So the next best thing I can do, and I've done it before, is just drill a whole bunch of holes around there and get my my snips, my sheet metal cutters, my shear cutters, whatever you want to call them. Just go in here and just cut the in between all of those little holes that I'm gonna drill. So let's fast forward through this and get that done. That's that. Go ahead and clean up my mess here and see about how we're gonna take this plastic out. All right, got it all cleaned out and everything, so let's do some more video magic, and I'll have all this cut out and I'll have my other piece inlaid in there about as fast as I can snap a finger. All right, so now we've got it embedded. All I did was put a bolt down in there, and then underneath I can still hit this little clip, pops up, and all I did underneath was I just put like a little piece of plastic, like a strap across, just so it would tie it in. And oh, there it goes, still locks. That's gonna finalize this project. Now what we need to do is we need to go to finishing this bottom piece. What I'm gonna get is that kind of a floor console deal. I'm gonna cut it right here in this little corner, just a hair, just so it can kind of fit underneath there, and get it, because as you can see, it's gonna hit my emergency brake bracket that I made, and put me a couple of screws down in here at the bottom, you know, maybe just put one on each side. I'll trim around, you know, so that it'll be flat, and we'll go ahead and call that one done also. So let me get that done real quick, show you what that looks like. After looking at it about 1,000,000 times, I can't decide, and thought maybe I'd set it up here, you know, get it a little bit higher, put me a little bracket down under here in the bottom. But I don't know, I'm not really fond of the ideas that I've gotten. So the only thing I can do is to not put it on there at all and take another trip to the junkyard. So we've got our cup holders installed, got our bottom dash panel with our 12-volt power outlets installed, fiberglass switch panel installed, and I think that's gonna be a wrap for this video, and I'm gonna have to say that this project is done. So you guys, if you liked the video, give it a like, share, and subscribe. Until the next project, you guys be safe.